Welcome, race fans, to the 2017 National Championship right here in Clearwater with the AMH Construction Instigator Offshore Race Team with none other than Julie. Julie, how's it going out here? Isn't this fun?
We are so excited. We're biting our nails. We're going into this tied with Outer Limits, and we're just hoping we're running the boat right now. It sounds really good, sounds strong, so we're hoping for a great race on Sunday.
Well, Aaron and Benny are doing a phenomenal job right here. Check out this flyby at over 100 miles an hour. Now that's power. Great job, everybody. Folks, this is it. Sunday, live stream. Check it out. Your current national championships going to do it again right here at the Clearwater National Championships. Hammer down, everybody.